Hello, this is Danny Lee, CEO of JY Industry CO, specializing in fogging machines. Today, I'd like to talk about a mini fogger. This is a product we developed, the BF-100S model. Let me briefly explain how to use it. First, prepare diesel fuel used for vehicles. Next, prepare an insecticide. Please purchase the insecticide separately. The mixing ratio is 20 diesel 1 insecticide. First, put half a paper cup of insecticide. Then, mix it with the diesel fuel. In a 2-liter PET bottle, add about 1.6 liters of diesel and half a paper cup of insecticide. Shake the bottle well to mix it. For the BF-102 model, the fuel tank capacity is 1.8 liters, so mixing 1.6 liters is ideal. Please open the subsidiary fuel cap. Unlike other products, this model has a fuel cap. You can refill the fuel by simply opening the subsidiary fuel cap without removing the tank. Don't fill it completely, just fill about 1.6 liters. Before starting, please put water in the coil cleaning water container in advance. This will help you clean the coil easily after the operation. Make sure the machine is working properly before you start. Pump a few times to check if the solution sprays out correctly. After 23 pumps, you can see the solution coming out. Next, attach the butane gas. Turn the gas valve halfway open. If you hear a hissing sound, press the ignition switch. After about 6 seconds, fog will start to come out. Once the fog appears, you can start spraying. Always spray against the wind.
사관님 여기 연기가 잘 나오고 있습니다.
When the operation is finished, close the gas valve. Remove the butane gas. Be sure to release all the fog after use. If fog is left inside, it can harden and block the coil. Pump about 10 times. Keep pumping until no fog comes out. When the fog is gone, take out the fuel tank. Put the pipe in the water container and pump again. Pump about 10 more times. Keep pumping until only water comes out. Clean the coil after use to keep it in good condition for a long time. Thank you.